I've got this rare Singer Featherweight 221J. Serial number is JE157596, which dates it to 1961. This is the tan, beige, or light bisque, however you want to call it. It's been serviced in good working order. Comes with a case, attachments, and all the other good stuff. And basically just going to show you how well it stitches. I've got 4 layers of thin denim. Oh, light works too. Passes the tap test. It's a little hard to see, but it's equal stitch both sides, no skip stitches. And also a piece of paper towel just to show it's delicate enough. To sew through this without tearing it up. You see this a little better that it's equal stitch. And there you have it.